Alright guys, now for the second side quest. We're now exploring one of the biggest temples in Thailand up north. And we're going to show you guys around, have a good time, and give you guys a little bit of the inside scoop of what's going on over here at these temples. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and we're going to go ahead and dive straight in. Guys, if this is a video game, this is where the final boss would be. By the fight over there. Not very happy. Guys, not to sound like an addict here, but this would be the perfect place to have a snus. Guys, this is a sacred place. Be quiet. We're moving up the floors. We're on the second floor now. This place is huge.
She's tired.
Yeah, it's the most cardio I've done all year. Oh, there's birds up here. It's a Buddha bird.
Shut up, Brian. A little respect.
It's a bird of Buddha.
It's even more
Let's go. We have a little bit of sun. This is a good place to tan, guys. Gotta go up one more floor. Almost there, guys.
cardio.
We've almost reached enlightenment. Do you think if I jumped, would I die?
Yeah.
I would not die. Buddha would catch me.
Brian, stop saying that. Oh. How you say that? Chandelier? Chandelier?
Was that pigeons?
Yeah. I mean, who designed this? Where's my dad?
They had to walk up small flights of stairs to build this place. Why pigeons? Guys, he's low-key getting close to me.
I think it's Buddha. Buddha, like, how you say that? It's a burning. You burn hit the body, and they have like a little.
Like the
How you say
bones?
that? Ash.
The ashes?
Yeah, it's there. His bone and ashes in there.
It's a Buddha bird. Was it worth it, guys? I think it was worth it. In the sky.
There's nothing.
Oh. What the bird doing? Alright guys, now for the hard part. Going all the way back down. Oh my goodness. I should not have popped that pimple, guys. Biggest mistake of 2025. It's recording. Don't click it.
Okay, okay.
Define promising challenge.
Okay, enough.
Can we go back in that way?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just snagged some coconut ice cream. Look at this, in a coconut shell. With some coconut fat on top, some sprinkles. But yeah, looks quite exquisite. We're gonna down this right now. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. I won't miss it. No.
เราได้ผ่านทางนี้ไหมตอนนั้น
ไม่
เข้าแล้วใช่ไหม
Alright guys, we're at the second temple now. You guys got a bit dusty in the truck on the way over here. I just had to clear you guys off real quick. We already saw like an elephant and a few other things. This one seems a lot more traditional. Seems a lot more like wooden, like contemporary.
แม่รู้แล้วแม่แบบนี้เคยไปที่วัดเขาบรรจบจำได้ไหม
Temple number 2. 2 phones, boy. There's a lot of season here, guys. Guys, at least at this temple, we didn't have to climb up like 20 flights of stairs. We just had to climb up these stairs right here, and then that's it. Which one do you like better, this temple or the other one?
Both have like a different. It's different. That one is really like majestic, like powerful. This one's more like traditional, calm. You know what I mean? That one just like boom. This one's like both is good in their own way.
And we got a sales call in about 30 minutes, so we're gonna have to take it in the Buddhist temple.